Today, I'll walk you through how to add a slider in WordPress with Elementor, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a stunning slider for your website so you can enhance your site's visual appeal and engage your visitors. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the page you want to edit. Click on the Edit button to open the Elementor editor. This is where the magic begins. Now look for the search bar in the Elementor panel. Type in Slides to find the slider options available to you. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the functionality remains the same. Next, click on Advanced Slider or Carousel from the options that appear. This will allow you to add multiple slides to your design. Once you've selected the slider, you'll see a default slide. Click on Slide 1 Title to edit the title of your first slide. This is where you can set the tone for your content. Now it's time to choose an image for your first slide. Click on the image selection area and a media library will pop up. Here, you can either upload a new image or select one from your existing media. After selecting your image, make sure to click on Select to confirm your choice. This step is crucial to ensure your image appears in the slider. Repeat the process for slide 2. Click on Slide 2 Title, choose an image, and then click Select again. You'll want to maintain a consistent theme across your slides. Now let's move on to slide 3. Click on slide 3 title, choose your image, and hit select. This repetition helps solidify your understanding of the process. Once you've added all your images, click on the Style tab to customize the appearance of your slider. This is where you can adjust settings like spacing, alignment, and more. Next, click on Title to edit the title text style. You can change the font, size, and color to match your site's branding. Then click on Subtitle to adjust the subtitle text. This is a great opportunity to add more context to your slides. Now let's add a description. Click on Description to provide additional information about your slide. This can help guide your visitors and enhance their experience. Next, you can add call to action buttons. Click on Button Primary to set up your main action button and then Button Secondary for any additional actions you want to include. These buttons can lead to important pages or promotions. If you want to include a video, click on the video icon to add a video to your slider. This can be a powerful way to engage your audience. Finally, click on Advanced to explore more customization options. This is where you can add animations or adjust the slider's behavior. Once you're satisfied with your slider, click on Publish to make your changes live. Congratulations, you've successfully added a slider to your WordPress site using Elementor. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.